Junior WAEC this year, either you are writing or your child, your son or your daughter is in N.H.S and they are writing this Junior WAEC, which we normally call BECE. This is the timetable for Enugu State. This is the official Junior WAEC timetable for Ministry of Education in Enugu State. It will start from Thursday, 20th of June, till Friday, 28th of June. On Thursday, 20th of June, we have first subject will be pre-vocational studies, 9 a.m. to 10:45 a.m. Second subject will be CRS, 11 a.m. to 12:45 p.m. Then on Friday will be 21st of June. You'll be writing basic science and technology. Basic science and technology, and you write it from 9 a.m. to 10:45 a.m. Then Islamic studies will be from 11 a.m. to 12:45 p.m. Then on Monday, 24th of June, you will be writing business studies and history, 9 a.m. to 10:45, then 11 a.m. to 12:45. On Tuesday will be 25th June, National Values Education and CCA, Cultural and Creative Art. That is 9 a.m. to 10:45, 11 a.m. and 12:45. By the way, if this is not your state, you can let me know. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Like this video, then tell me the state you are. Come under this video and tell me you have subscribed, and tell me the state you are subscribing from. Okay, on Wednesday will be English language. Wednesday, 26th June, will be English language from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Then on Thursday, you write Igbo and French language, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Then on June 28th, you write mathematics, 9 a.m. to 10:45. If this is not for your state, just subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, then come under this video and tell me that you have subscribed. Then tell me your state, and I will also send you the Junior WAEC timetable for your state. I wish you success. I wish success to your child who will be writing this very examination.